Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Blender 5.1. I'm going to show you how to export all the material textures into the folders in just one click. You can see this is a 3D model with multiple material textures. Now all already saved into a folder. All of these are its material textures. How to make it in one click. So I'm going to show you all these step by step. Let's go. So now everything start from beginning. This is my original blend file, the model 01. Okay, once you open it, you can just have a look. This is my original file. So what you need to do is just duplicate one, just close it first. Duplicate one, you create a fresh new folder first, name this as model 01 as well, and copy this just by pressing Ctrl C to copy, and open this folder, just press Ctrl V to paste it here. Then open the duplicate version. You need to go through a few steps. Alright, first step, just click File, File, External Data, Automatic Pack Resources. One click. So, and then go another time, File, External Data, deselect it again, Automatic Pack Resources. So, one select and one deselect. So now, next, at here, click File, External Data, Unpack Resources. Then use files in current directory. At this moment, you should be able to see it created a textures folder. If you open it, all of these are the material textures. So you already just export in one click. You don't need to go and export the images one by one. Just one click, you can export all in this way. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to export all the material textures from Blender 5.1 in one click and get it into the folder. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!